I put pictures that have everything that was on because there was a rubric and like you have to have certain parts of it, and a lot of the pictures don't have every single part of the what's going on in the
That's true.
water cycle.
Right.
So
right.
I had to look for those, and then
For several different pictures.
yeah, and then I put the definitions of evaporation, transportation,
That's nice.
condensation.
Could you take me through the cycle here, like starting from here, going around?
Yeah.
What's happening?
How I do this?
This is recording right now. Come and talk.
Put me on recording. Yeah. I'm gonna go viral.
Okay, so
Without looking at that, what happens here?
the water evaporates into the clouds, and then the clouds form the water, and then when the water like fills up, it turns into rain, snow, or hail, and it comes down to the floor, and then it just happens all over again, and it's like a cycle that repeats.
A professor at university once told me there's a reason why most clouds are flat on the bottom and fluffy up here. And it's got something to do with this evaporation and, forming the clouds. Do we see a cloud down here?
No.
Do we see it here?
No.
Why does it suddenly pop up here?
I don't know.
It's something to do with temperature.
Oh, because the temperature is like higher up. It's like when you get higher up, it's like less.
Right, it's
hot.
colder.
Yeah.
Right, it's less hot. And so hot air can hold more water. So as you get higher up, because it's being pushed up because it's hotter, and it's hit here and it's hot, it's
Yeah.
going up. When it starts to cool, what happens?
It starts to
getting
fill
colder.
up
And,
and turn into water.
right, it comes out of, they call it going from vapor to liquid. So little tiny drops up there.
Yeah. And then once it all builds up, it comes back down into either water, snow, or hail.
That's perfect.
And then I put the world water supply by location, just like a fun fact.
Yeah,
thing.
these are fun.
And
What
then-
What's interesting is the little percentages here.
Yeah. Yeah, so oceans have 97.8%. Ice sheets and glaciers have 1.99%. Groundwater have 0.62%. Atmosphere.
What do you think it means by groundwater?
Like
Is
the
it
water on
the ground or under the ground?
Under.
This is the under the ground stuff right there.
And then atmosphere is 0.29%. Lakes is 0.1%, which I thought was really
Isn't
interesting
that
because I
amazing?
thought it would have
So
been
small.
a lot more.
I know, right?
And then for inland and seas and saltwater lakes, it's 0.5%. And soil moisture is 0.4%, and rivers is 0.1%. So like for all like the lakes, the oceans, rivers, like I thought for lakes and rivers, I thought it would be a lot higher. Like I thought it was really interesting how soil moisture has more than like a river. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You would expect it to be a lot, like it to be different. But yeah. And then I put down the definition of like water cycle. So yeah.
Perfect. Well, this has been a really good project. Thank you for your time.